Here's how to fix MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on Windows 11. First, open the Start menu, search for Registry Editor, and launch it. Once the Registry Editor opens, expand the following folders in this order. First, expand HKey Current User. Then, expand the Software folder. Now, find Microsoft and expand it. Then, look for Windows and expand it. Then, expand Current Version. And finally, look for Game DVR and select. After selecting the Game DVR folder, look for the App Capture Enabled entry in the right panel. If you find it, double-click App Capture Enabled, make sure its value is set to 0, and then click OK. If the App Capture Enabled entry isn't available, right-click in the empty area of the right panel, select New, then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Name the new value App Capture Enabled. After creating it, double-click the new entry, set the value data to 0, and click OK to save the changes. Once you've completed these steps, close the registry editor and restart your computer. After the restart, check whether the MS Gaming Overlay error has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.